Hi everybody, this is Chelsea. Welcome to my bubble. I know it's been a really long time since I've made a video. I actually attempted to make a BoxyCharm unboxing video and it wasn't recording audio the entire time. So I was like, forget it, and I just deleted it. But I know it's been a couple months since I've posted a video, and I've noticed that my subscribers number has gone up from my cleaning videos, so I thought that I would just do more cleaning videos. As you can see, my kitchen is not looking the best right now. It's kind of crazy, really cluttered. My dishes are kind of done though. It's pretty nice. So I have a friend coming over in like an hour and a half, and I have not gotten my day started. I can't even talk right now. I have not gotten my day started. I haven't made my smoothie yet. I'm trying to lose some weight. So I've been doing smoothies every morning. So far, I've lost like 5 pounds, but yeah. So I'm just trying to keep going with that, and I'll update you guys on my weight loss journey. I'm hoping that I can stick with it. So I'm doing smoothies in the morning with just fruits and vegetables, and yeah, and then I work out on my elliptical, which I will not be doing this morning, but I will be doing later today because I do not have time to do the elliptical for 30 minutes. I have an hour and a half to clean this kitchen and a little bit of my living room before my friend gets here. So it is 8:20 and she'll be here at 10. And I also have to start our lunch too. So I gotta make and eat my smoothie, get this kitchen cleaned, which I guess I can count as working out because I'm gonna be busting butt to clean this kitchen. And then I'll be getting ready for my friend to come over. So, you guys can, just clean with me today and, watch me make my smoothie and whatnot. So, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so in order for me to even make my morning smoothie, I have to deal with this countertop. I took these out because they were on the bottom of my cupboard right here, and they were just taking up a bunch of space, and they were just not organized, so I just took them out and put them on the counter, and I never put them back in. And that was yesterday, so I just got to put them back in. I'm going to move them to the side right now because I kind of want to put them on the top shelf up here, which you can't see. So I'm just going to move them to a different spot so I can get my smoothie done, drink it, and then I can get going. So this is my new Ninja professional, I think it's called like Ninja Pro IntelliSense or something like that. I got this at Walmart for, I don't know, we've been saving up for it. I got it at Walmart for like $2.50, I think. So it comes with this individual blender cup that has the lid. There's stuff on it. The lid that you can drink out of, and the blade that goes on the bottom. And then it has a food processor, which can, process things. And the food processor comes with another blade for mixing dough. And it's not sharp. It just it blends, I don't know, the dough without really cutting it, I guess. And then, of course, we have, I just washed this. It still has water in it. So then we have the actual blender with the blade and the lid. And it's a pretty awesome system. I really love it. Yeah. This is not not sponsored. I wish I was sponsored. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I am going to go ahead and mix my ingredients into this cup, put on my blade and blend away and drink it while I am cleaning this horrible kitchen.
Lost in a lonely haze, getting it good ain't easy. Hold on to what you got. You're not a fleeting phase. You got the hands that please me. You got the hands that please me, please me, please me. I'll make you better. I'll make you better. You'll be better with me. I'll make you better. I'll make you better. I'll make you better than you'll ever be.
Okay, and I am done. This is 2 bananas, 1 apple, an 1/8 of a papaya, 2 handfuls of spinach, and 2 handfuls of kale, and about a half a tablespoon of flax seed. And and like I don't know, like a half a cup of almond milk. So I don't drink this same thing every morning, but I like to just kind of play around with it. I don't really have a recipe. I just kind of like take what I have, throw it all in there, and drink it. That's pretty much it. And it gets me going, and this is my breakfast. Yeah, and then I do my elliptical workout for 30 minutes every morning. But today I won't be doing that till later, and then and then I get started with my day. So it definitely has been helping. For lunch I usually eat like a salad. Today I'm gonna be eating something different because my friend's coming for lunch, so we'll have something. She's plant-based, and so am I, so we do plant-based meals together, and it's really fun to share that with her. So yeah, and then I just kind of snack on fruits and vegetables throughout the day. And then for dinner, I have whatever we're making, which I try to make healthy, plant-based meals for my family. So, yeah, let's get started on cleaning this kitchen, because I have now an hour and 20 minutes. So pretty much the same time as I had last time. So let's get started. Okay, so I have eaten my smoothie, and I had a quick phone call with my friend. And now I only have 30 minutes, guys. 30 minutes. Gotta get cracking.
Lost in a lonely haze, getting it good ain't easy. Hold on to what you got. You're not a fleeting phase. You got the hands that please me. You got the hands that please me, please me, please me. I'll make you better. I'll make you better. You'll be better with me. I'll make you better. I'll make you better. I'll make you better than you'll ever be.
most of my kitchen. My dishes are not really done, but there's not a whole bunch in there. My table just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. But I have to be ready for my friend to be here in 15 minutes, so I gotta get this done and put some clothes on, and yeah. So it is what it is. You just have to deal with it, right? Right. Oh, thank you guys for joining me in my cleaning speed session before I have company over. I hope this inspired you to clean your house, and if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye!